In today's video, I'll show you on how you can print your Microsoft Excel sheet as A4 full page. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to adjust the page layout on your Microsoft Excel. So if you click on the view category or section, click on page break view, you will be able to see your entire pages right here. So I have page 1, page 2, and page 3. If you want to delete a section of your pages, you can just highlight that specific part of the page and hit the delete button on your keyboard. Now that you have adjusted your page layout, you want to hit Ctrl P on your keyboard or navigate through File and click on the print button. Inside this page, we have to edit out a few settings. For example, you have your page orientation, you have the lettering, you want to change this to A4, and then lastly, you have your margins. You can adjust this by navigating or by allocating sections to your page right here. For example, if I click on the wide margins, it will center out my content, or if I click on narrow, it will spread out even further. So this is completely up to you depending on your style. And lastly, you want to select no scaling. Click on the print button, and there you have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.